So I'm currently at my mum's house to do a look inspired by Wotsits, one of my childhood favourites. I'm going to be using the palettes I have available to me here. The Masquerade Mini by Juvia's Place and Tropical Carnival palette. Yeah, so this is the other palette that I'll be using. You saw it right there, the orange. This orange is like the actual colour of the we'll see. So just all over the crease, we're going to build up this orange colour. I am using the one that is French, the yellow. And four between the orange and the yellow. I use Zulu first, and then if that's not dark enough, I'll go in with Fulani. So I'll use this one, and if it's not dark enough, I'll use that one. So Zulu, just below where we started originally with the brown. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to use the darker brown. Use Fulani, which is a darker brown that I showed you earlier. And I'm gonna stamp that on top of where I put Zulu. I know it probably doesn't, you can't really see the difference on camera, but I will come in a bit closer in a moment actually. Come a bit closer. Come closer. Actually, yellow from Tammy's palette in the corner again because I've lost it a bit on this side. Look, it's just me, yeah, that sometimes there's some days where you're blending out your eye or like your look, your face in general, and you feel like, yeah, I've got skills, I know what I'm doing. Then there's other days where you're like, what am I doing? Like, what did I do wrong? So I'll just cut the crease and I'll be right back. I'm not sure what's going on with me, you know. I keep doing these massive cut creases. So let's go on to the lid. So I'm not sure which blue to use. I could use the Dahlia. Yes, use that blue. Or use Shortney, this palette. And I know they're basically the same, but I'm trying to figure out which one will be a bit more intense. Cause this is the Juvia's one, and it's just a little bit lighter actually. And I'd say the Wotsits package is darker blue. Start with Shortney from Tammy's palette, and if I don't think it's bold enough, I'll go on top of it with Dahlia from the Masquerade. This one's not going to be intense enough, you know. Or maybe I should try it with... I'll try it with my finger. I think I'm going to use the Juvia's Place one in Dahlia, the one at the top. It's just that one's just a little bit too dull for me. I'll use my finger at first. Yeah, that's what I was looking for. A bit closer. Yeah. Lash glue here. Talking about. Use a really tiny brush and just put it on. And with my finger, because me blending it out with the brush did dull it out a bit. Oh, beautiful. I just want you to know you're my favorite. Corner, I am going to add Fulani into, bit of mess on it, Burkania. Yeah, a darker brown, and try and deepen up the corner. Oh, I don't think this is going to be dark enough. No, it's not. Okay, change of plan. We'll go into Jab Jab in Tammy's palette, the black, and just pop that. And now we're going to try and blend. I'm going to use a brush that we used the blue on and blend those out. Blend those together. Where the harsh line with the black is, I'm going to go in with the original, find it, blending brush, and just blend out that harsh line. I will go into Tammy's palette and I will use Shortly just in between and Dahlia. Yeah. Okay, I'm back. Guys, so I spent a long time since I've done my eye looking for lashes or lash glue because I'm not at home. Long story short, there's no lash glue here, so I'm gonna just have to have natural lashes. Put my lashes with mascara until they're heavy AF, and hopefully you can actually see them in the picture. People are always saying to me I should be more spontaneous, and I know things don't always go as you would expect, but at least if you have like a plan or two, you know, a backup plan, or just an idea of how to get out of a bad situation, then it makes you doing it in the first place a lot easier, in my opinion anyway. It will still look good, that's not the problem, it's just not going to look how I imagined. Just ranting, because when I was packing, it's usually in my makeup bag, but I took it out because I wasn't using it, so I didn't want my bag to be too heavy. Oh, let me show you my makeup bag. I got it on Amazon, got my name engraved into it. I can't remember how much it was, but it wasn't expensive. It's one of my favourite makeup purchases actually. So I don't have my foundation with me. Oh, this is going great. So my mum has 3 foundations here. She is a bit lighter than me, so we'll see how they match up. But okay. So she has L'Oreal Perfect Match in Cappuccino. I feel like, oh, I don't know. Let me. And then she has the Revlon Photo Ready Rebrush, wow, I can't read. Airbrush Effect in Cappuccino also. See. A bit close. Oh, actually no, that looks lighter. Cappuccino is looking like the best match so far. And then she has this sleek Life Proof foundation in LP14. And I think this is even, oh no, not my lap. I think this was even too light for her. Oh yeah, that's a no. I could use that as a concealer shade. It looks like Cappuccino out of what I have. Oh lord, Cappuccino will be the best match. Have to re-prime in that area. Barry M Original Primer. Either way, I probably will have to bronze a lot, because I'm really not sure where this is gonna go. You see what I mean about being spontaneous? Hey. So squeeze it on my face. I don't even know what the coverage is like on this. I don't even know if this is fast drying. I know nothing about this foundation. Not that bad. Maybe a better match than I'm giving it credit to being, but we'll see. Okay, we are going to conceal with Suede from Fenty Beauty. And the funny thing is, I wasn't even going to film myself doing my base because I thought, oh, I'm just going to be using the same products I'm always using. Before I found out I didn't have my foundation. Look at that. So I'm just going to blend that out. Starting from the bottom. And now we're here. Oh, you're cringe, you're cringe, you're cringe. Down a bit so I don't look so orange, because I was giving you round Wotsits, my big head. The sleek dark contour palette. And on top of this really nicely. I'm starting to like it. Okay, time to set. It's Sasha, isn't it? Not Sasha. Well, this whole time I've been calling it Sasha Buttercup, but it's Sasha. I'll be setting my face. See, every stage is just a bit different. I'm using the new foundation, or not your regular foundation, because I don't know if this dries down fast. I'm gonna go in a bit extra with the setting today, because I don't know what this foundation is like. I'm gonna set it on my mouth, over my nose with any of the excess powder that's on it, over both sides. And I'm gonna be using next. Let's put some blush on. Let's spray out. Did I? Yeah, I did. I brought brush with me. Using my Fenty Beauty Kilowatt highlighter in Ginger Binge and Moscow Mule, and just swirling around and popping them on each cheek. I remember I brought the peach with me. Do the extra highlight today. What I'm going to do for the lip. First, lip pencil and bar. Lipstick, I have the cake one, which is a bit more pinky, because I did a purple look for my mum. Yeah, and then I'm going to put some gloss bomb on. Should I keep it brown? Like go brown around the eye? Let the blue pop off the lid? Yeah. Fulani at the bottom, and just put that on my bottom lash line. This is a look. Yes, okay. I was very worried for 95% of that. It's coming together today. Then mascara and setting my face. Glitter and Coconut I Heart Revolution setting spray. So yummy. Enjoyed the video. I didn't know where it was gonna go, but yeah. Please like, share. Woo cha. I like the stairs. Like I'm not fat as fuck. Yeah. Please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you for watching.